Today we talk about how can you select units on your app on your start workshop. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click in this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You go down, come here to units. So then here can you select it in this list here on your start or work job. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish now I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.